Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing, to do this, I tried following Scott Barnes and TATI makeup tutorial. How my blending game is right now, because I haven't been doing makeup as much as I used to do it in the past. Okay, so I've been scared to do it, but I pick up the courage to do it today. All right, and I don't really have most of what they use in that product. I mean, they use in the video, but I'm going to make use of what I have in the house. Like he said, you don't have to buy new things. I heard him say something about you can even use an eyeshadow, because as a beauty advisor, I used to be one before. We make you to buy a lot of stuff whenever you come to the store. I mean, we have to meet our target. It's not our fault, but sometimes you have to improvise even if you don't have. Exactly where you applied it, I'm going to be doing it. Follow. Yeah.
Do you hear that, guys?
What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff.
So I actually missed that step. It said bring it in. We started from here.
You don't use primer?
For what?
So guys, I missed that part too. It brought it all the way to this place, and I got distracted by my little kid, so I had to stop. So it started blending. I don't have that kind of, this brush is what I have is a flat brush by Elf. So oh god,
Working into skip. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy
it was
from
blending upward. Oh my god.
Let's get crazy. You have to remember, okay?
So I move on to the jaw, and I will be using the Fenty stick. I think that's the darkest one that I have.
Snatched the house.
So this is what I call.
Like Scott actually.
So I'm gonna just go ahead and blend. I do not have this kind of brush, the one that I use to blend, but I'm gonna use what I have.
Yeah.
This is my area that I don't like Scott actually.
Okay. Then we went ahead and contour, of course, the usual place that we always do. Yeah, and right here. So I see him blending, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my own blending too. So I did my blending. This is how I'm looking so far. So I'm going to move on and see the next step. Oh, it's the nose.
Very tiny one. And then they drag all this brown into the nose.
Very, very
into the
precise, very tiny. So it didn't just, I realized it didn't just stop here. It went further to like side of our lip. Okay. And it came in with a foundation to put, all over our skin. I'm going to be using my Black Copper foundation. I'll put a little at the back of my hand and grab another brush. The brushes that I just cleaned. Then I have to do another cleaning again.
Chanel on you. Ready?
So
we're going to start with.
You started ready and I'm like.
I put them.
Well, yes,
okay.
but
I mean,
for
they put
all
it
of her
like
shows in Vegas, right?
Yes.
For all of them?
Yes.
But were you there the last show?
Yes, of course.
So was I.
Were you?
So So this part, I'm not sure what it was putting on the lip. Maybe it's the rest of the foundation from the brush, but I'm just going to assume that is what it did. So I'm just going to do the same. So at this point, I totally lost. Like, it seems he used the same brush that he used to apply the foundation to just blend this, because I could see TATI face, like you can see the illuminating just on this part, and this other side are already blended, like seriously. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the same brush that I used to apply my foundation and just blend. So this is how my face is looking so far. Like, I'm kind of like not sure what I'm doing right now, but I'm going to keep moving on. So I'm just going to apply it directly on my skin, then blend it with a brush. Anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same because I can't see it anymore. With this, I feel like it's more slimmer, especially around here. So what I saw that it did again, it applied a little bit more foundation, concealer right here.
Face are in 2 different zip codes. You're
And
like,
right
whoa.
there,
And then they blink their eyes and the lids
it
white.
blended it out.
Okay,
Then went
powder.
in with translucent powder. I'm using the one by Believe Beauty. At this point, he's using a powder to set the entire face. He said it's to marry everything together. So I'm going to be using my powder by MAC. Now it came in with highlighter. I do have the one by BH Cosmetics, and the kind of is using a fan
Some
brush
stuff,
which is
and
very
they're
thicker than
like an
this and
indie
bigger than this,
brand
but this is what I
with a
have,
lot of
and
cool
I'm going
products,
to go in
I use it
with
a
that.
lot for highlighters.
Love that.
See?
So one thing I noticed that it did not put it on the forehead like we normally put it on our forehead as in the highlighter, but it went ahead and put it on the brow bone, like somewhere here, very light. He added some on this side too, very light. Then he put some, I think somewhere here. So at this point, I missed the part where he sprayed her with the setting spray by Neutrogena. So I'm going to be setting with the Black Radiance setting spray.
You ready?
Oh my god. Oh!
Guys, honestly, at this point, look at the way I am looking. Like, I don't really understand. Like, something is wrong, but I'm going to finish off this look. So I'll move on to the brows. And the way they did it was tiny. I have not shaped my brows in a while, because I have a reason in trying to grow it out. So I'm just going to try and follow my own this is by BH Cosmetics. I've had it for a little while, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush my brows. It's just tint, it's called tint brow. So he went ahead and applied the lip gloss on her lips, so I'm going to be using this lip gloss.
Okay, now
by
this
Estee
is
Lauder.
important.
And the
Tip
way
alert.
he
You
said
know what I'm doing?
tap it
Going out to the
out.
edge. Not.
I don't know if I'm doing it right. So I'm just gonna connect. So guys, this is how my face is looking. Oh, of course, I just have to give this thing a try. And it's not perfect, but I love how the glow. It's like, looks like someone's skin, like it's like very, very breathable. It's not heavy, and my nose is very, very pointed right here compared to the way it used to be. The only problem I can see very, very well right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. My concealer over here, it's like creasing. I don't know what I did wrong, and at the same time it seems I didn't blend this space real good. but it's just a trial. Okay, I just wanted to try it and see if I can actually pull this out. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I don't mind if it's thumbs up or thumbs down. It's always good to learn somewhere along the line. Okay, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.